Hi, my name is Eunice Ngong and welcome to Jungle Tech. Today I want to talk about TCP IP client and powerful networking. To start recording iPhone network, first of all we need to import socket. So programmers have a number of third-party tools to create network servers and client platform, but the core mode for all of those tools is socket. After importing the socket, so we create the target server and the port. So let's suppose that we want to get something from Google server at port 18. Now it's time to create the socket object. We first create the socket object with affinite and socket string parameters. The affinite parameters indicates we'll use a standard IPv4 address or host name, and socket string indicates that this will be a TCP client. We then connect the client, the server, host and port, and send it some data as a byte. The last step is to receive some data back and print out the response, and then close the socket. This code snippet makes some serious assumptions about sockets that you definitely want to be aware of. The first assumption is that our connection will always succeed, and the second is that the server expects us to send data first. Some servers expect to send data to you first and wait your response. Our third assumption is that the server will always return data to us in a timely fashion. We make this assumption largely for simplicity's sake. So to fix that error easily change because we put the port server twice. Let's run again. And you can see we just received some data coming from the server, but it's not doesn't have a good manner so that the code to change the behavior, how the data will be presented to us. Thanks for watching.